What is going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and as you can tell, the hat is on, which means we are doing a car part. It seems like every time I do a car part, you know, I'm wearing this hat, so it's gonna be a good time. Now, I already started taking some stuff apart, as you can see, because, oh, get the light. Because I got a little excited, and I forgot I needed a video for today, and I forgot I wanted to make a video today. So, I'm already a little ahead, and I bet you're wondering what we are doing. Well, as I come over here, bam! If you can see that. Hopefully I pointed in the right direction. We are doing a Perrin, whichever. We're doing a short ram intake. Yes, I'm using the instructions because, you know, it came with it. So I might as well use it. Yes, I'm not a real man then. So basically what I got done is it said, take off mass airflow sensor. All right, it's just 2 screws. You use a screwdriver, Phillips, get that right out. And then you wanna get the airbox out. I'm working on the airbox right now, and it's just 2 12mm bolts down there. You can't really see it because it's just a jumbled mess. And then it's gonna be this clamp and this clamp. So I will get back to you guys whenever I get all this mumbo jumbo off. Okay, so I got it off. I got a light. I really need something better, but yeah, got it off. I found it easier to, oh, there it is, with my pile of junk. Found it easier to take this, before I mess everything up. Take this off first, take the cap off the airbox first, and then slide it out, and then get the whole airbox contraption, big bulky thing out. That's just me. You can do it however you want, but here's a better view of the bolts, or the holes for the bolts. See one back there, and then one in there. So since we got that out, let's see what the instructions say. Okay, so it looks like I need a part that was in my box. I don't know where I put that part. This part. I gotta put this part in, this metal part, whatever it does, I don't know what it does, to the closest hole towards the front. Simple enough. Alright, so now since that's installed, I gotta hook up the rubber piece to this part, and we should get rolling. Okay, so this thing's on. It's a loosely tighten that clamp, so don't over tighten it. If you over tighten it, it's gonna break. The rubber, all that rubber stuff, it's gonna break, so don't over tighten it. Next step, fitting this into that. And before I go any further, make sure your mass airflow sensor faces the same way as you take it off, so be very minded of how you took it off, because you don't want it facing the opposite way. And yeah, let's get that on. Alright, got the second piece all fitted, mass airflow sensor in, 2 bolts. Got that clamp in, got that on. And yeah, the last step, just to put on the filter, and we'll see how it sounds. Alright, before I put this on, you want to wipe. There's going to be oil. I don't know if you can see the oil around it and inside. You probably can't see inside because the light's not good. But you want to wipe that off. I don't know why. Instructions just said it, but yeah, I guess you don't want that getting in your motor and all that. Oh, I can still see oil. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Try to get it back. Yeah, right there. Gotta get that all cleaned up, and yeah, then you can put it on. Alright, it's all installed. Hopefully we won't throw any check engine lights. But yeah, pretty simple installation. I don't know if you'll need this video, but, because it does come with instructions over there, but you know, might as well commentate, so it's a little easier for you guys. But yeah, simple installation. I'm gonna probably warm up the car a little bit, and then we'll see how it sounds. Alright, so it's a little warmed up a bit. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but to give it a little rev skis, a little bit. You can hear a little bit more. But yeah. Let's get on the road and let's see how this performs. Alright, so it's gonna be difficult because I'm driving a manual with one hand. But first impressions, I got a little turbo noises now. I got a little, you know, with my little baby turbo. I don't know how it's gonna perform because I'm still warming it up a little bit, but yeah, those noises are pretty fun to hear. So we'll see this little straightaway and yeah, see how it feels. I don't know where to hold my camera, probably just gonna do this one-handedly. Probably should mount it, but yeah, well, do a second gear pull a little bit. Gotta cruise, but up. Never mind, there's people out here. I want to be respectful of the common folk. So I'll get back to you guys whenever I find a straightaway, see how she feels. Yeah, probably mount the camera just so I'm not driving with one hand. Yeah. We'll see you soon. I don't know how good this angle is because for some reason my GoPro suction mount is not working right. So hopefully it's all right. But I want to emphasize, if you guys can hear that, like, that is just music to my ears. Oh, it's fantastic. I've never been so happy. Still haven't found a straightaway, just to do a little pull. I'm searching everywhere I go. It's like someone is either standing outside, and I just don't want to be rude, which I'm sure a bunch of you would just probably just zoom by them, but you know, I'm respectful. I don't want to get people pissed off at me. I'm going to be fixing this all the time. It just bugs me. I just seriously don't think it's pointing at me. There, that might be it. That's the money shot. Okay, so after a little bit of driving and my SD card is getting full, I am rolling up to a spot where I can do said pull. I have been refraining this whole time from getting into boost because I want to have my first impression on camera. This is totally off topic and like not relevant to this video, but that blow off valve, or not that blow off valve, the downpipe that I put on in last video, I've been noticing, or I have noticed, that I've been getting a little more boost out of it. Like my turbo will create more boost. I don't know if that's correct. I could just be dumb because I am not a mechanic. I'm not, you know, car savvy as the cool kids say. But yeah, I've been getting more boost. I've been running, I don't know, 16 pounds I think. I don't know how to read that gauge either because it's not digital. It's 2002 technology. Alright, roll it up. Gotta make a turn. Alright, get in a boost. 3,000 RPMs. Gonna roll into it. Don't slam on the gas. Gotta roll into it. But here we go. First impressions. I could feel it spool up a little bit more. I don't know if it's because I'm used to the whoa, got some turnage going on. I don't know if it's because I'm used to the higher boost now, but yeah, I do notice that my car does spool up a lot faster than what it did. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy with the noise. Pretty happy with, you know, how it sounds. Well, noise and sound are the same thing. But yeah, altogether, easy bolt on. Yeah, didn't run into any complications, which is very strange. If you want to do your own work on your car, I mean, it's very strange not to have some sort of problem. But man, that guy hardcore jerked his head when I downshifted. Oh, I feel so bad. I'm sorry for your neck, sir. But yeah, probably gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informational. Hope you guys, you know, learned a lot. Probably didn't learn a lot because I basically read it off the paper. I mean, if you get a Perrin short ram intake, the paper will be there. They'll give you all the instructions and all that. So don't worry if you couldn't follow along with my video, but hopefully it was entertaining to you. If it was,